No?
Mommy, this is the mom. They're having
So,
dinner.
let me say that you're outside.
This is the mom's drink.
Tatum, what about mud pies?
For girls are inside. We don't like girls for missions. We
No.
don't.
Okay.
We might stop. Oh, Hermione, you are there. Mommy. So,
Yeah?
my baby, don't understand.
Oh, thank you.
So,
I've been looking for that bone.
So, when you're night, here I come. And we'll pick a pie.
Yeah?
And my pie. I get this tray on her side. Big safe for Santa. So, Santa can't wave it. Her can't wave it. Her water last. Outside.
Oh.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. I love you.
This is the mom's drink. This mom's drink.
Here, let's get... Tatum, I think there might be some cups in the food thing that you can get drinks for yours, okay?
No.
No? Okay.
So this
All right.
is the mom.
All right.
So,
Hey, Lily, if you give her that, inside your food thing over there, there are 2 Olivia cups. So why don't you grab those for yours?
Okay.
Okay.
But baby,
Yeah, each of them can have one.
so,
They're having a little
oh,
picnic.
baby,
Oh, they're going to eat a chicken McNugget from
oh,
1983.
baby, yeah. So, what is